The breath. Breath is essential to all of us, not only to yogis, because without breathing, we cannot live. And during our classes, we will share with you different types of breathing. And right now, we would like to explain the most used one.
This is a type of breath which we will be using mostly during the asana practice, because it will help you to get through the practice from one position to another one safely and effectively.
Yes, and this type of breathing starts with inhalation and exhalation in your nostrils. The inhalation needs your imagination, your visualization, because we will visualize that the inhalation, it's coming from the pelvis and filling all the body up to your collarbones, and exhale with slight contraction in your navel towards the spine and up through your whole body, and exhale with your nostrils. But the physical thing, it's slightly different.
We need to be aware of our diaphragm, which is a muscle that holds our lungs. And actually it helps us to breathe, to fill the lungs with the air. The deep diaphragmatic breathing is a base for yoga practice. We will be pushing the diaphragm down and creating the pressure on our internal organs in the navel area, and pushing down, even down to a navel. And this way you can feel like the breath is getting all the way down to your pelvis, to your belly, and up, rising to a chest, up to your collarbones and throat. And also for the exhale, it would be great if you can slightly use your pelvic floor muscles to engage, only slightly, and then to press the belly back toward the spine and push the air up. Yes. Breath is starting from down, up, and also the exhale is starting from pelvic floor and rising up.
So that's the breath.
The best to explain the type of the breathing from pelvic floor up to the collarbones on inhale and also on exhale is best to show on the transition of these two positions. So Christina will start from this position on fours. With the full inhale, you expand and enlarge your body, your torso. And with the exhale, you are starting from a pelvic floor, then drawing the belly back toward the spine and creating the space actually that you can go close to your thighs. As you start filling the belly from the pelvic floor up, you feel the pressure on your thighs, and the movement will take you with the breath back to fours. You can repeat that with every exhale. You are pushing back and bringing your seat close to your heels. With the inhale, as you start feeling the pressure of your belly on your thighs, you are getting up and up to all fours with complete exhale and expansion of the breath. With exhale, start pressing the belly back toward the spine, pushing the breath out through the chest, through the throat, out of the body, and creating the space to get close to contraction of the body.